Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Monday, everybody. What up, what up, what up? Let's start the week. Good morning, everybody. Hey, what's up, Lyok? What's up, Tan? What's up, Prophet? What's up, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. How we all doing today? It's a beautiful day. What up? Yeah, we gotta smack him today, guys. Let's go. Come on, gilly up. Call of Duty style. Come on, let's go. What up, what up, what up? Okay, so these three accounts, guys, they're funded. They're funded. So, yeah, guys, it's nice to take a break off trading. Took a nice break this weekend. And, yeah, hanged out with the fam, hanged out with some friends. And, yeah, it's pretty chill, guys. Gotta reset, refocus. Oh, yeah? You like the intro? Dude, I gotta get you guys hyped up. Call of Duty style. Yeah, we gotta hype it up, guys. Gilly up. Dude, I beat up homeless people. What up, man? I haven't seen you in a while. We are making lower highs, though, so we had a big rip up. Yeah, so these accounts, guys, these are funded. We have 2 winning days on this one. And then, like, 1 winning day on these 2. Yeah. Oh, yeah. What's up, Cash? Yo, what's up, everyone? It's Casey with casinatortrades, back with another video. In today's video, we're live streaming the Nasdaq market live. Cats are going crazy over there. Nice, Cash. Let's go. There you go, man. Proud of you. It's all good. If you lose evals, man, it's literally part of the game. I lose evals all the time, man. It happens. It's part of the game. But, yeah, just keep really good discipline on the funded account, Cash. And then you have the stack base hits, small winning days, and keep that account up for the long time. Yeah, sometimes I still have problems. I'm like, I don't know why I try to rush the funded account to get a payout when I'm like, I literally had the account. You literally had the account forever. You're not paying any monthly fees or anything for most firms. So you can literally just take it slow and steady. Tommy, what up? You've been smacking me, bro. What up, Tommy? What up, what up, what up? Hey, previous day highs, Tommy. Aza chest low. Liquidity sweep. Oh, yeah. Breaking down right here. Yeah, simple as key, man, really. It is. Oh, yeah. Bro, TradeDay came out with new accounts. It's like everyone else's, like, where you can pass kind of quick. It's like a 45% consistency rule, and then you just need 5 winning days, I think. Then you can request a payout. It's like all the other firms. So, pretty cool with TradeDay. Bro, all these firms gotta compete, guys. They all gotta compete. They had a 4K rule? What's the 4K rule? 4K in payouts? Oh, shit. Dude, you could have 5 active live funded live accounts now. Did they add more funded accounts, like sim funded, though? What's up, Alex? What up, brother? How you doing? Profit, I never heard of Redline Futures. I haven't heard of that one. TradeDay. TradeDay 2.0. Looking on the FAQs. You gotta look on the FAQs, guys. How many? The knowledge base, champions. The knowledge base. We gotta look at our intelligent research here. Fast pass. Han, yeah, these three are funded accounts. Yeah, these three. Yeah, Alex. Every day is a blessed day, brother. Every day. No matter what situation you're in. You're alive, you're doing well. And guys, if it's not alright, guess what? It's not the end. It's not over. I like that one guy saying, dude, we got the cat crying. Sorry about that. If it's, what is it? Remember, guys, it's night, and everything is gonna be alright. And if it's not alright, it's not the end. And then it shows, like, Ronnie Coleman, like, screaming, like, yeah, buddy, yeah, lightweight. Alex, pretty good, man. Yeah, I hanged out with some friends, so we went to, like, a bonfire on Saturday night, which was pretty cool. And then I hanged out with some fam this weekend as well. So it was pretty nice, pretty chill. I might do fishing this week. Yeah, I'm planning on going fishing this week. I haven't gone fishing in like a week or two. So I definitely want to go fishing. We gotta catch some bass, bro. Yeah. Got the overalls on deck, cowboy hat. Bro, that'd be sick to live stream it, but it's like, I feel like live streaming fishing would be so boring because like, there's hours where you might not even get a bite or a fish. Alright, we are breaking down lower right here. Sorry about that, guys. Bro, the cat was like crying one stream and someone's like, bro, feed your cat. And I showed him the cat and he's like, never mind. Never mind. Sup, AD? What up, brother? How you doing? Doing good, Tushar. How you doing, brother? Glad to see you guys back. What up, what up? Oh, yes. Quit crying, bro. Being a big baby. Now he's fine. Nice, Tushar. The best microman in the house, bro. Let's go. Alright, where are we going at? Are we bullish, bearish, or choppish? Boom, boom, boom. Damn, we got a nice sell-off right here. Tushar, Alpha Premium qualified. Yeah, guys, we are Alpha Premium qualified right here. These three are funded. Yeah. Nice, AD, let's go. Yeah. It's really nice to take the weekend off. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Yeah, I don't even look at the charts on the weekend. Just relax, reset, refocus. Nice, AD. Yes, sir, Tushar. Wow, we got a sell-off coming in here. What's up, X? How you doing, man? Profit, yeah. Yeah, because I lost the 2 freaking accounts on the evals. One I just straight up lost. Just bad trading. The other one I literally passed, and oh, man, it was bad. It was bad. I literally passed it. Then I went like 15 or 20 bucks over the thing of the consistency rule, and I had to make 50 bucks, like $47 to be exact. It went downhill from there, guys. It was really bad. But it's okay, we still got these 3 funded. Nice, Tommy. Bro, I haven't back tested in months, like this year. I was back testing a lot last year, like especially towards the end and like halfway, like yeah, June to December I was back testing a lot. But this year I just been trading. Just reviewing the trades I took. Alright guys, class is in session. Class is in session. Alright, we got a new 5 minute 20 seconds. 60% bullish. Okay, alright. Alright. Fade the chat. Fade the chat. What would Casinator take?
Order filled.
I'll take a stab short. Take a stab short. Guys, we're not taking a short. We gotta take a stab short. Remember that. Sitting around pullback, retesting this area right here. New 5 minute. Looking to push lower. Tommy, yeah, but with me personally, like with all recently, like with how like the accounts I'm trading, I'm just trading so much every day, so it's like I don't even backtest anymore. For me, right now, I do think it's important, like especially when you're first starting out in different market conditions. But like if you're trading a lot every day, I think that's like plenty for me personally. Just for me, right now, yeah. That's why I stopped trading Asia Stash, because I was so tired of trading 2 sessions in a day, because by the time I'm trading Asia Stash, I'm like, I'm already freaking tired. I'm like, oh man. And you're not taking the best setups and all that. Nice, Tommy. Yeah, I like that. As long as you stay green. Even like, yeah, when I get like small winning trades, just scalps like 10, 15 points, they stack a lot. Yeah, they really do. Well, this morning, like market open, we had a sell off and just like kind of formed a double bottom and just started ripping up like just continuously. But now it looks like we're coming back down. What up, Isaac? What's up, brother? How you doing? The market makers? Market makers are in the chat. They're watching, guys. We're trading Alpha Futures Premium, the premium accounts. They're funded. No, they're qualified, I shall say. Qualified. We're elite champion funded certified trader here. I should download all the certificates of like passing each prop firm. Yeah, and just have like an army of them. An army of certificates. Down 10 points. What's up, Zyron? How you doing, man? Isaac, yeah. Glad you're doing good, brother. Yeah, first trade on stream. Today. Boom, boom. No, Apex did not move me to life. No. I haven't got a payout with them since 2024.
Stop filled.
Fuck. Alright, we took a loss right there. We took a short. I still like that short, honestly. I still liked it. 20-point loss. Look, we're going to rotate. We got to rotate the strat. No problem, Ed. Glad you enjoyed it, man. Yeah, I got to be a man of my word, man. Sometimes I'll slack, but I gotta do what I say. Yeah. Glad it helps out, man. Yeah, Tradecopia is pretty nice. It's not bad. I like it because also it's like you can literally have unlimited connections and accounts for only $50, and your first month you can get for $35. That's actually really cheap for a trade copier. Because like Tradesyncer, for example, in order to trade unlimited accounts, you would need to buy the $150 a month subscription. So you're saving over $100 a month, which is kind of a lot. That's a lot. $100? That's a free 50k eval. Yeah, honestly, guys, with Apex, you either love them or you hate them, but it is very mixed emotions with them. Yeah, there's like no in between. You either hate them or you love them. People have good experience with them and get paid out, and then some people, like, yeah, they take like weeks to pay out. Sometimes they don't pay out or something. Yeah, so. But people, I heard that when they actually do get a payout, it literally takes like 2 to 3 weeks for it to hit their bank account. That's why I always say I think it's only worth it if you're trading ideally 20 accounts. I've said that a lot, but it's true. Because the thing with Apex, the best thing about them is the 20 accounts. Without the 20 accounts, there's so many better other firms in my opinion. And they pay out quick. Yeah, their no approval system, they approve it quick, but yeah, they send like a week after the payout is approved. They send it like a week after for them to send the payout, the payment. And then some people say it takes 1 to 2 weeks to hit their bank account. Yeah, because when I was trading with Apex, it took over a week to hit my bank account. But I did know once they did approve the payout, it will hit my bank account, which is nice. But it took over a week for me. Zyron, do you is like everything like checked off like on the green checklist? Do you have like the new accounts? Schlong. Adrian, yeah. Yeah, they were easier to pass because they didn't have a no like daily loss limit or anything. With the new accounts, they have daily loss limit, so I don't mind in the funded account the daily loss limit. But the frickin' in the challenge, I'm like, I want to get that shit done. I don't want to spend like a month in it. Damn, guys. We got in a short at the wrong timing. Yeah, that's weird, Zyron. You should be able to request. I don't know why it's not doing that. And that's weird that they're not responding to your emails. It's very weird. Hopefully you get a payout, Zyron. They respond. Jack, what up? Champions, yeah. Full-on champion traders right here. What up, Jack? Welcome, Jack, certified funded champion trader. Amen, yeah. Dude, I love ChatGPT. Dude, I love AI. We gotta get on the cloud AI, guys. Cloud AI, ChatGPT, Grok. Doing good, Jack. How you doing, brother? Yeah, Tommy. Yeah, that's the crazy part. That's what I'm saying. You literally gotta make $6,000 to get a $500 payout. Pretty crazy. Bro, Lucid, you can pass. Yeah, you get a $2,000 payout, yeah. Amen, yeah, doing good, man. I think we're at like 45 or 50 grand in payouts on the year after the profit split. Not including eval expenses though, but we're still up. Yes, sir, Jack. Glad you're doing good too, brother. Oh, yeah. Ed, yeah, because like yeah, every other prop firm, guys, pretty much now you get the payouts within your bank account within like a day now, like 12 hours inside your bank account, which is pretty awesome. So like yeah, if you guys need money, like quick money, like if you got bills or something to pay, definitely use the other prop firms, yeah. Because I know a lot of people they trade, they need that money. So it's like when you're waiting 2 to 3 weeks, it's like that's gonna put way more stress on yourself. Yeah, get a. It doesn't even have to be a daily payout prop firm. It can be literally be like a flex, and then if you did all the rules correct, you'll get paid out within like 12 hours in your bank. Good job, Rosie. Nice, man. Let's go. 1,700. Let's go. Zyron, yeah, just go to other firms, man, honestly. Anonymous, yes, it also depends on your bank account, but also, like, everyone after the payout's been sent, it still takes, like, a week minimum. For me, it took a week. Other people I know it takes, like, 1 to 2 weeks for it to hit their bank. Zyron, yeah, if you need that money, man, yeah, definitely trade other firms, bro. Lucid is by far the fastest I've seen. Because, like, once you send the payout request, it, like, automatically approves it. And then if you have your bank account connected, it's like an instant deposit. People say they get it within, like, 5 minutes. After they sent the payout request, which is pretty crazy, honestly. MyFundedFutures is also, like, instant for, like, the flex accounts and stuff. Very, like, automatic approvals. Damn, Eamon, that's actually a big difference. Yeah, because we're in USD. €1,400? How much is that US? Like 1,600? Yeah, $1,627. Yeah, that's actually a big cut, man. Yeah, because I know the euro goes for more. Like, yeah, more than 10%. Zyron, well, even if you're not in the U.S., as long as you're not in a restricted country, same thing. They should have you able to request your payout and then Do the payout thing, man. Yeah, Tommy, Lucid, no payout denials, which is pretty awesome. Oh, it must be horrible aiming. Oh, man. Oh, man. Yeah, because when I went to Europe last year, I would have to think of the price, like, an extra, like, 10-15%. Luckily, my credit card didn't have any foreign transaction fees, because that would have added up really quick, too. Yeah, foreign transaction fees, guys. Business credit card. Yeah, for business, strictly business purposes only. Oh, Zyra, nah, Canada, you should be straight, man. You should be able to get that payout. Dude, I heard Canadian dollars is, like, really bad compared to the U.S. Jeez. Amen, yeah, they're definitely top firm right now. Top firm, yeah. This year, Lucid, yeah. They've grown so much, and for good reasons. They're a great firm. Amen, yeah, 100%, yeah. No foreign transaction fees. Yeah. Because also some prop firms are in, like, based in other countries, so if you buy it from the U.S., some credit cards will charge you, like, a foreign transaction fee. And I think some are, like, 2 to 3% or something, which is kind of high. So that stacks a lot. 1.38. Yeah. They're taking our money. Yeah, foreign transaction fees. I guess we're going long, guys. I guess so. To the moon. Damn, yeah, 100 Canadian dollars is $72 US. Jeez, yeah. Damn, that's a big difference. Amen. No, Top Step is really fast with their payouts. They have, like, automatic approvals now, I think, which is pretty quick. MyFundedFutures, same thing. It's like automatic approvals. You'll get it, like, really fast with MyFundedFutures. Take Profit Trader, I usually get it within, like, 12 hours in my bank. Funded Next, I got really quick, too. 6 hours in my Rise account. After I had to sign, like, agreements and stuff. So that was actually really fast, too. What's up, Dan? How you doing, brother? Doing great. Sergio, they're a good firm. They're a good firm, but I'm with other firms right now. If I'm, like, scaling, like, trying to scale, like, a lot of payouts and get more funded, then, yeah, I would trade with Top Step. The only thing is, I don't like trading on Top Step X, so the only way I trade them is, like, if I'm copy trading them. Like, if I'm trading them, like, with this firm, for example, or, like, another firm, I'll just have it on the trade copier. Just because I don't like Top Step X. There's nothing wrong with it, it's just I don't like trading on it. I like Tradovate. $80, damn, $62. Yeah, that's a big difference, man. That's like almost 40%, 38%. Yeah, the US dollar in some other countries does, like, worse, and then some it does, like way better. Amen, yeah. Well, because, like, a lot of these other prop firms have sales going on. Like, Lucid has the biggest one right now, 50% off. So you can get a 50K flex account for $70. No activation fee. That's really cheap. Tommy, yeah, that is true. Because it's kind of like TradingView. And I do like that you could customize the noise on Top Step X. Even though I don't trade it, that's pretty cool that you can do that. Michael Patak heard and he listened and he adjusted. Good job, Michael Patak. Dude, Top Step team, when they're like, oh, dude, let's add like custom sound effects. He's like, yeah, we gotta get the traders' dopamine on another level. We gotta increase the traders' dopamine already because our dopamine is already at all-time highs. So we're gonna make it at even more all-time highs by making custom sound effects. Pajak, yeah, 100%. $860 on a Monday on a trailing drawdown account. Call it, man. Call it. There's been numerous times where I kept trading when I was up, and I just gave it all back. Amen. It's only for 2 uses and 30% off. It's for all the accounts. Tradeify right now has 35% off all the accounts. Like, I think unlimited uses. They had a woman voice. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Dan, I'm probably sticking to the old firms right now, like other firms, Dan. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sticking with these firms. Because I can easily stack like 20, 30 funded accounts if I really wanted to. Yeah, I could actually do that. Yeah, you can get a lot of funded. Yeah, because we did the math. You can get like easily like 50, 60 funded accounts off legit prop firms that pay out. And then those payouts, like you'll get it really quick. Thank you, Eamon. God bless, man. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, go touch some grass, man. God bless, man. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, yes. That's what I'm saying. Dude, I've seen people with like, I think I've seen a dude with like 80 funded accounts. Dude, imagine you had like 50 funded accounts though, and you were just trading like micros. Yeah, that's big. Because with like 50K accounts, you can get for around like $5,000. Which is a lot, but if you think about it in the grand scheme of things, that's literally like a small payout on these 3 accounts. Just one small payout would cover all that. Which is kind of crazy. Good night, AD. God bless. I know it's like 1 a.m. over there, AD, so go get some rest. Thank you, AD. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Dan, yeah, they're definitely the longest with payouts. Yeah, 100%. Other firms, yeah, way better. In my opinion right now. Big Teflon. 112 funded accounts is freaking crazy. 112 funded accounts. Dude, if you just traded like 1 to 3 micros on them, just aim for like $100 to $200 days. Same thing, you keep your risk low, like same thing, like risk like no more than like $200 a day. My gosh. 80, yeah, good night, man. Good morning, 444. How you doing, brother? I haven't seen you in a while. How you doing, man? Dan, I know, that's crazy, yeah. I still can't get it. I'm trying to get it like through my head that small numbers really do add up, because I was thinking it too. Like a top tier electrician in the union, he's getting what, like $400 to $500 a day, and that's a great paying job. He's getting 6 figures a year. Great paying job. $400 to $500 a day off an 8-hour shift. He's got to wake up at like 4 a.m., 4 a.m., go to the site, work. He's probably done by like 1 or 2 o'clock. Yeah, $400 to $500 a day, and that's a great paying job. Now I was thinking, like, even if you had 5 funded accounts, $100 is extremely doable with 1 to 2 micros. Yeah, 1 micro, that's literally 50 points on NQ. That's definitely doable. That's $500 a day. So I'm like, I don't know. I gotta get it through my head. Like, yeah, 10 daily payout prop firms, $100 a day. That's $1,000, guys. That's hella doable with like 1 to 2 micros. The power of small numbers, guys. And you keep the accounts for a long time, and you practice great discipline and survival for like a live account. Yeah, it's great all around. Doing good, Daily Day Trade. How you doing, brother? Glad to see you back. 2 funded accounts is better than none, man. One day you can get over 100. Anonymous, yeah, you can definitely have like, yeah, $400 to $500 days with 3 micros, yeah. Good job, man. Nice, 444. Hey, good thing you got your money back, yeah. Yeah, well, with profit specifically, it's like, what really matters is how much you're spending on evals and how much you're getting paid out. Because even if you got like 10 grand in payouts in 1 month, that's great. But if you're spending 20 grand in a month, I mean, you're losing money. So if you got 10 grand in payouts but spend like 5 grand, you know, you're still profiting 5 grand in a month. That's still not bad. That's still a good job. Tommy, yeah, that's what I'm thinking, yeah. I want to get more payouts first and then like kind of scale like that. Just like 10 accounts. Because that's only like $1,000. That's literally 1 payout. We'll cover all that. I was thinking just stacking a small base hits. Tommy, that's what you're saying. Base hits stack. $100 a day? $100 a day? On 10 accounts? Dude, that's the one thing I don't like about trading is sometimes it'll give me such a big headache because I'm thinking about all these numbers and possibilities where I'm like, Casey, just lock in. Just focus on your trade. Think about those numbers later. But it is true, though. There is definitely a lot of infinite possibilities with trading. Doing good, John. How you doing, brother? Glad to see you back. John King, what up? Yes, sir, Tommy. Let's go. Yeah, I like your mentality, Tommy. Keep it simple. Base hits. Just stack. That's it. Right now, I want to be careful because it's kind of like rejecting right here. I don't know if it was going to come back down or what. Let's go, Jamil. Yeah. No problem, Tommy. Yeah, 4. Yeah, if it's stressful, yeah, losing 5 accounts because it can be, yeah, 5 funded. Yeah, you can just go back to 1 and then 1 payout on that 1 account can cover it. That's what I was thinking too. I was like, why am I going to buy 2 more evals when I can just try and get a payout first with these? Like, if I can't even get a payout with 3, what makes me get a payout with 5? It doesn't make sense. But then I think to myself, when I get a payout on 1 account, I'm like, damn, I should have bought 5 because that could have been 5 payouts. But you can't think like that. It's like a weird thing. I'm like, damn, if I just scaled to 5 accounts again like I normally do, that would have been 5 payouts. I don't know. It's a weird area, guys. It's a weird area. Dan, yeah, that's true. That's why it's very important, even when you're trade copying, definitely have like a daily loss limit in all the accounts. Yeah, definitely have a daily loss limit because, like, if you can't exit a trade on some trade copiers, like glitches happen, you know, that daily loss limit will protect you. Because, dude, imagine you had, like, no daily loss limit, and then you just had positions running and you couldn't get out. I'd be shitting my pants. I'd be sweating bullets shitting my pants. There you go, triple four, yeah. Yeah, triple four, yeah. Sergio, that is kind of true. When you are used to copy trading like 5-10 accounts, like I am, and you're just trading like one funded account at a time, yeah, sometimes you will disrespect the account kind of. Because it's like, oh, big deal. Worst case, I lose $100. So yeah, so then you start to like over trade and over leverage, which is not good too. But Sergio, if you're more disciplined with the 5, then go with the 5. Triple four, yeah. What's that smell? I don't know. Something's fishing going on around here, guys. Something fishy. Yeah, triple four, but then you gotta wait 2 to 3 weeks for your payout, and then you're paying $100, over $120 activation fee with the $20 evals. So you end up paying more in the long run. It only makes sense to go the no activation fee route if you're passing them quick. But if you're blowing a lot of evals, really like a lot, then yeah, the activation fee route is cheaper. Yeah, triple four, but then they're more expensive. They're not $20 anymore. Daily day trade? Right now, no. Right now, I used to, but right now I'm just trading each firm individually. Sometimes I'll copy trade each firm together. Like Top Step. But, I don't know. I gotta get more payouts first. Tommy got it, yeah. They don't have it, John? Damn. Well, on a trade copier, on Tradecopia, you can do the risk management settings, so you can set a daily loss limit on there, which is nice. Yeah, that's pretty nice. They have that. Fresh Delgado, no, man, I lost that. It sucked. Yeah, I lost it like 2 weeks ago. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, if you don't mind the trailing drawdown, then yeah, go for it. But it's definitely harder to trade. Even though like I'm used to trailing drawdown right now, I still buy the end of day accounts because they're just easier to deal with, especially when you're in a funded account. You don't have to deal with it, which is nice. But like I got used to the trailing as well. I traded too much TPT accounts and Apex back in the day. Damn, look at that. We had a sell-off recovery. Sell-off recovery. What are these, bull flags or something? Yeah, Jamil, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Because if they have activation fees still, they're kind of left behind. Because, like, all the top firms right now, they don't have any activation fees. Or they have, like, a no activation fee option. So you choose to pay that. Like, Alpha Switch, Lucid has no activation fees. MyFundedFutures, no activation fees. Take Profit Trader, no activation fees. TradeDay, no activation fees. FundedX, no activation fees. Yeah, all these top firms, yeah, they're just in the markets because no one wants to pay activation fees. Especially on, damn, what is this green candle? Especially on 5 accounts, guys, that's $750. That's a lot. You're like, oh, nice, I passed my 5 accounts, but great, now I gotta pay $750. That's a lot. $750? That's you can buy 7.5 50K accounts with that. Fibsy, it looks pretty good. I gotta look more research into it, but so far it looks pretty good. Fresh Delgado, I can't buy any more accounts with them. I'm pretty much done trading with MyFundedFutures, unfortunately. Yeah, if you blow your live account and hit a 100K sim payout cap, you're pretty much done, unfortunately. That's the sad part, because I really like their firm, and they're legit, and they pay out. And I got a lot of payouts with them. Yeah, it's unfortunate. But, what are you going to do? I can't sit here and cry about it. I gotta just move on. Daily day trade, the longest account was that $2 account on Take Profit Trader. We had it for over 50. We had it for 50 trading days. I think we lost it on our 51st trading day. Not calendar days, like actual 51 trading days. That was my longest. Damn. We had that account for a long time. And we got some good payouts with it too. Yeah, that is 2444, yeah. Big Teflon, for the live account with any prop firm, yes, you have to pay it. It comes out the account. Yeah, I think pretty much any live account with a prop firm, they'll mark you as like a professional trader. Or something. Yeah, guys, I'm a professional, certified, funded, live trader now. Pajok, you can't think like that, man. Just be happy you took $860. Yeah, I'll open up an account with my mom's name or something. My mom's a day trader, yeah. Or your grandma. The funniest one is your grandma. Oh, yeah, my grandma, yeah, she day trades, yeah. Certified funded trader grandma. She's a professional full porting practitioner in progress. Yes. Yeah, thank you, Daily Day Trade. Yeah, that was a long time, yeah. Exactly, Jamil. That's what I'm saying. Because $750, that's a lot. And I'm like, yeah, there's no guarantee you'll get the payout. And then if you blow it, you just lost an extra $750 on top of the eval fees. Yeah, it's a lot. Yeah, activation fees stack really much. It's too much. Yeah, firms with it now, yeah, they're kind of behind, really. Unless it's like super cheap evals, like Apex, $20-$30. Yeah, because same thing. If you lose 5, it's like, well, I lost $100, but it's like I'm alive. I'm okay. The OG ATM, yeah. Vivian, yeah, you remember that, guys? Yeah. That $2 was a crazy one, guys. We were $2 from being liquidated, and we were in a trade 10 micros deep. Just one tiny tick, we would have been automatically liquidated into the dust. And we took it back to $2,000 and getting payouts. And then we almost saved it. We went back in drawdown. We almost saved it again. Almost. But it's all good. But I was extremely disciplined with those accounts. And I was trading like a smaller size. Because like, when I first got those set of 5, like I traded 1 mini, which is kind of a lot. With the trailing drawdown. Kinda. It depends on who you are. But we took our first payout, like $3,600 with it. After the fees. And then we went on a losing streak. Then we went down to micros. And then we made a comeback again. Yeah, that was pretty crazy. Big Teflon, I think it's like $130 a month or something. It's over $100. It's either $130, $150 or something. It's like mid hundreds. But it takes it out the live account. Alright, we have a new hour and 2 minutes. Fresh Delgado, yeah. So, no, MyFundedFutures is still a great firm. They're legit. They pay out. I love them. But, yeah, once you get the 100K payouts and you blow your live account, yeah, you're pretty much done. So, yeah, Fresh Delgado, yeah, get the 100K payout. Get the live account. Yeah, and stack payouts, yeah. I mean, $100,000 is still a lot, guys. $100,000 is $100,000. That's a lot of money. Profit, yeah. Yeah, you guys remember that account. That account was definitely in the history books. Yeah, the $2 account. I can't believe we saved it. That was crazy comeback. Good times, good times. And we documented every single trade live. From the evals to the funded accounts to the payouts and saving them. We documented every single trade live. Live on pay-per-view. No, triple four, that's not crazy. No. I mean, that's just you striving for more. There's nothing wrong with that. Just do it like do it responsibly. Yeah. But triple four, if you're putting like all your money into it, you know, be careful on that. Just like have a budget. Like if you're getting $5,000 a month from your job, and then after living expenses, you got, let's say you pay $4,000 a month, for example. Just an example. You're left over with $1,000. Maybe you do that like $500 to $1,000 a month on evals if you want to. That's if you want to. Just like, yeah, just budget accordingly. Depends on you and your risk and your finance and all that. Country Boy Nell, what up, brother? How you doing? Glad to see you back. Yeah, yeah. Alright, we got the new hour candle right here. Dan, yeah, I gotta get my accounts back with him. I gotta get those cash ATMs on deck. Dude, I never even knew what ATM standed for. Automated Teller Machine. I've never heard of that. Until we started trading with the cash ATMs. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I tried before. I've been there where I didn't budget and stuff. It usually ends to bad things, yeah. 'Cause especially if you don't get payouts and you're going over your budget. It's tough, yeah. Yeah, definitely budget, guys. Budget. Yeah, treat it like a business. I got treated like a business, yeah. Yeah, trip forward. Then yeah, just have a strict budget. Like you know what works for you, like with your budgeting, like what you're comfortable with, like potentially losing because you could lose that money. And like if you hit that, like in like every month, like let's say you have $1,000 to spend. Once you hit that $1,000, like no more accounts. And then I noticed when you do that as well, you trade a lot more disciplined because you don't want to lose the accounts and then not trade for the rest of the month. So it honestly makes you a lot more disciplined and save you more money in the long run. And then you treat the accounts more seriously because like when you're used to like just like blowing accounts, resetting, blowing accounts, resetting, blowing accounts, resetting, it like tricks your brain that like it's okay if I lose these accounts because I can just reset them again. I've been there. It's a bad mindset, yeah. Just gotta be disciplined. Doing good, man. Glad to see you doing good as well. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Trope 4. Yeah. But it's good that you feel good, like, after, because, like, you followed your rules, and that's all that matters. Tom. Oh, yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, especially with evals like $500. That's only 50K accounts roughly. Yeah, but yeah, imagine you do this though. You get a payout with a couple of them. Nice. And you're in budgeting. You're in profit on the month. Jamil, gotta buy. Gotta buy. Maybe like a retest in this area, this 540 area, maybe. Ha. Yeah, whatever works for you, Triple Four. John, low key, we're really close. We're very, very close. We're only 10 points away. Isaac, that's pretty damn impressive. Yeah, 100%. 2 months? And you taking 2 max payouts on each one? Holy crap. Isaac, that's 18 grand after the fees. That's hella good. Good job, Isaac. Yeah, it doesn't matter if you blew them. You did a great job. And you budgeted. Triple four, yeah. I've had way worse months. Way worse months than a grand. I've had worse days than a grand, yeah. Where I spent over a grand in one day. And blew the accounts. Oh, man. Oh, man. It's not a good feeling. Yeah, if you're getting payouts, that's what I'm saying. Especially if you're budgeting. Like if you have a $500 budget a month, you get $2 grand payout just on one account. You know, you're profiting as long as you're profiting, guys, and especially if you have a job too. You know, that's a good income. Very good income. You're profiting on the profit. Oh yeah, no, yeah, because $1,000 is not a lot to work with on a live account. It's really not. Yeah, you're definitely better off putting that in propfirms, in my opinion. Because you'd have to trade micros, and it's like you can get 10. You can probably get like 15, 25K accounts for that price. $1,000, like yeah, 60, $70 each. Yeah. You can get 15, 25K accounts. You get a way better ROI. Isaac, that's impressive, man. Good job. Damn, keeping an account... Yeah, Isaac, that's really good. 2 max payouts and keeping the accounts alive for 2 months. Good job. Yeah, that's a pat yourself on the back. Yeah. Yeah. The thing is, I don't want to catch a falling knife right here. Yep. Consistency, 444. 100%. Isaac, yeah, man. No, that's really good, Isaac, honestly. Especially since you're in college, too, and you got expenses. That's even more impressive, Isaac. Dude, imagine I was back in college. Oh, man. Bro, if Casey was in college, day trading in my dorm. Imagine I was, like, live streaming from my dorm. My dorm. We got Unk in the college dorm right now trading. I would sneak my cat in there. Gotta have at least a cat in there.
Order filled.
Well, I'll take a stab long right here. Damn, as soon as I enter, man. Bro, cats are so cool. They just do their own thing, man. It's just a freaking cat. They're cool. There you go, Triple Four. Trade micros in, man. For the long run, trade micros. Doing good, Chino fan. How you doing, brother? Glad to see you back. Yeah, doing great. Boom, 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 boom. To the moon. This would be a nice trade if it plays out. Well, what we've been seeing, look, a bottom wick. It wicks up. Wick. Wick. And keeps ripping up. I'm going for longs, guys. Because on Friday, I had a very bullish bias at the start, and then we took 2 longs. Then we got stopped out like back to back. And then I just started looking for shorts, and then we're smacking it. Triple Four, that is definitely quite a handful, man. Yeah, thank God you have your job, Triple Four, because if you were just solely relying on trading, it would be a nightmare trying to provide for all that. Yeah, so, yeah, good. Yeah, keep the job, Triple Four. Keep the job, honestly. Yeah, do what other people do, like Tommy, for example. He has a job, and he always does that. And then just trading as like a side income, like a side hustle. Because this side hustle, guys, can make you a lot. But you can also lose a lot, so that's why I always say budget and stuff. Oh, man, oh, yeah. He would have been bad, yeah. Dude, if I had discovered propfirms in high school, that would have been sick. Because I think, what did only 10 years ago? 10 years ago? Oh, Top Step. Top Step. I'd be trading with Top Step back then. Top Step. Hey guys, certified funded trader, 10 years in the markets. Casey here, back with another video. Shino fan, yeah, I heard it's been kind of slow right now. Which annoying is because you can't trade like the early morning. Yeah. Hey, at least you got a payout in. No, them, I know as soon as I send a payout request, they approve it, but sometimes it will take a little longer. It depends. Sometimes I know on Take Profit Trader, the payouts get approved really fast and they send it really quick. And then some days it'll take like hours. Kind of random. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I always say, guys. You should always keep your job or always have another source of income with trading. When you're solely relying on trading, it's just really hard. Especially if you have like a family, like kids too. It makes it even more stressful. But thank goodness for propfirms, guys. Yeah, if we didn't have propfirms, shit, I'd be in debt and shit, putting fries in the bag or something. Oh man. We're in a completely different business. Yeah, I like that mindset. A completely different business. Yeah. Yep, 444. Consistently getting payouts. Yeah, that's what matters. Yep. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, when I went full time with trading, guys, I had a big buffer and cushion because of the 6 figures in payouts I got, and then also my shoe trading business. Cause I was hella frugal back then. Like, I sometimes I'm like a kind of a degenerate now with the spending, which is really bad. But not like a complete, like, I'm not buying designer shit and stuff, but like I don't know, I'll buy fucking $30 little stuffed animal or some shit. I don't know. But like back then I was like hella frugal with the shoe business. I was hella cheap. But in a good way. And every now and again I would splurge on myself, like get a tattoo or a nice pair of shoes that I liked. Every now and again I would do a little splurge. What I liked doing back then with the shoe business is I would work extremely hard and disciplined for like 3 to 4 months and just keep putting in work and be hella frugal. Then I'll do like a little splurge as a reward. And then back to the grind. Because it's good to reward yourself. Daily payouts, Isaac. Let's go. Isaac, good job. You got, hey, Lucid and daily payouts with the Take Profit Trader. That's a good combo, man. That's a deadly combo, yeah. 10 funded accounts. 5 daily cash ATMs. Hey, Isaac, imagine, hey, you got a nice, like, $500 payout locked in. You go to class, you're chilling. Yeah. Shino fan, yeah, that is true. Yeah. 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 I never bought a designer belt. I have the same belt that I got at Old Navy years ago, and it works great. It was like 10 or $20, like hella cheap. It works great. Yeah, cause some dudes be spending hell on those belts. The worst one though is when they sag and they're wearing a belt at the same time. It's like, bro, come on. You're sagging while wearing a belt. Come on. Come on. What up, Jasmine? I haven't seen you in a while. How you doing? Glad to see you back. Yeah. Hope you're doing well. Isaac, yeah, man. Consistent cash ATMs, bro. They're the way. They are the way. Cause you can literally just trade a couple micros on them and you're just stacking. Okay, we keep going back up to like break even at 15 points. The heck? Rambo, you're pulling up your pants and shit. Rambo about to go Rambo on me. Triple four, yeah, 100%. Yeah. Then sometimes, like when I go to like a flea market or something, I'll like try to negotiate. I don't know. I always like negotiating because it kind of get like a little rush. Because I do hella negotiations with the shoe business. Oh, if I buy this with that, would you give me this price? Well, guys, when you buy more of those things, they're like, okay, yeah, I can work with that. A lot of times they'll work with you, yeah. No problem, Jasmine. Let's go. Good job on passing that account. Yeah, Jasmine was a giveaway winner. Good job. We'll do a giveaway soon again. Yeah, we gotta do another giveaway. Yeah, Rebel. Exactly. Whole ass is out of everything. Anonymous, yeah, 100%. Yeah, you gotta negotiate at the flea markets. Bro, you go to the taco stand and be like, hey, if I get 5 tacos, would you throw one in for free? Hey, you start negotiating the food too, guys. Yeah, free taco. Hey, just guys, closed mouths do not get fed. When I was doing the reselling, some guy told me, really cool guy. He's like, closed mouths do not get fed. You gotta speak up. Closed mouths do not get fed. Yes, that is true. Yeah. Dude, they actually have discounts. Like, Tradeify, if you buy 5 at checkout for like the 25 or 50K accounts, you get extra 5% off. Yeah, it's literally like negotiating, but you don't have to do the negotiating. They do it for you. Yeah, they literally have 5% off extra at checkout for the bundle deal. So if they have like a 40% off sale, you could technically get 45% off. With the double, you're getting a double sale. Yeah. And you don't have to click 5 checkouts. You could just do 1. Okay, what are we doing here, NQ? Come on. What are we doing? Some prop firms do have BOGOs. Like pass one, get one free. MyFundedFutures did that. I think that some other prop firm did like a buy one, get one free, which is pretty sick. Buy one and get nothing, buddy. You either pay the price or you don't. There's prop firms like that too. There's also businesses like that, yeah. They're firm on their price. And I also respect that, yeah. They know the product's worth. Yeah. Oh, he's a stingy negotiator, yes. But he knows the value of the item. Miss Trader, yeah, that's the prop firm that did the buy one get one free. Yeah, that's the that's the one. Funded Futures Network. FFN. FFN. Go. Go.
Order filled.
Bro, we were just $5 away from getting a winning day. Bruh. But this account, I'm still down to take another trade because that was only 10 points. Because it literally just keeps bouncing from break even to 10, 15 points and coming right back. And we could just like re-enter right here. Deals, yeah. But I do make money from YouTube. So that's what I'm saying. I always tell you guys, like if you're going to do trading full time, it definitely helps to have either a 9 to 5 or like another source of income like a side hustle. Oh, yeah. Miss Trader, yeah. Clean shave case, yeah. Dude, yeah, I actually feel better without the beard right now. Dude, it was hella funny. My girlfriend's mom, she didn't say it to me at the time, but she said it to me now, this weekend. Last month, I had like a full-on beard. Yeah, the full-on scruffy-ass beard with a hoodie on. I look kind of sleazy and shit. And then she's like, oh my gosh. She was looking at me, she's, is Casey okay? It looks like he's going through like a midlife crisis or something. Just because, like, the beard, it was, like, hella, like, it was not maintained. It was hella choppy. Deals, the YouTube ad revenue, I honestly don't get a lot. I only get, like $200 to $300 off of ad revenue off of YouTube, which is not a lot every month. On a really good month, I'll get, like, $350, $400 on ad revenue. But it's mainly the affiliate income, if I'm being honest with you guys. So that's why I'm very blessed for you that you guys are using my code. And it gives you guys the discount. So, yeah, thank you guys. It's mainly the affiliate income. But I'm not making, like, nearly as, like... I'm very blessed to how much I make. But I'm not making nearly as much as, like, these other guys. Like, I know guys that are making, like, 20 grand plus minimum a month. Consistently. Which is pretty crazy if you think about 20 grand a month. That's a lot of money. Yeah, Miss Trader, I can feel the wind hit my face, bro. I feel free. Yeah. Like, literally when I stepped outside after shaving, I was like, wow, I could feel the wind. It felt good. Everyone says they like it a lot better, too. Yeah. I look a lot younger, too. I look kind of old with the beard. Yeah, passive income, yep. Rambo, yeah, it's extremely scary, yeah, especially when you have, like, a family to provide for. It just makes it, and you got bills to pay, rent. It makes it even more scary because now you're, like, now you're stressing out, like, because you will have losing months in trading. You will be, like, stressing out, like, shit, like, I got to put food on the table. I got to provide. And then it's, like, it makes it even more stressful. That's why I always say, guys, yeah. Get another source of income. Thank you, Rambo. God bless. Thank you for always using my code, Rambo. Thank you, man. It means a lot. Thank you, Triple4. Thank you guys for using my code. Yeah. Miss Trader, good job, man. You can get daily payouts now, Miss Trader. Good job. Yeah, dude, I literally shaved off like 5 years of my life by shaving off the beard. Yeah. Yeah, it feels good, yeah. Clean shave. Clean shave McGee over here. Alright, we got a new 5 minute and 5 seconds. Well, yeah, because like the trading influencers, they get money from their affiliate income. Nothing wrong with that. Their Discord memberships, their courses, their one-on-one mentorships. So they make a lot more money off of things related to trading rather than trading itself. Like, yeah, they can make money trading, but they're realistically making more money off of other things related to trading. If they have merch, they can sell their own merch. You can do a lot of things with trading. Sponsorships, if like a big company likes their content and they would sponsor them. I never got a sponsorship ever. Only did affiliate codes, but an actual like brand like sponsorship, like no. That'd be pretty sick. I want to get sponsored by like Quest protein chips. Man, trading can be very stressful, guys. That's why I like eating Quest. Quest protein cheese help me feeling good, eating fresh, and staying alive. Thanks, Quest. Or Mountain Dew. Shit, I get sponsored by Mountain Dew. I don't even drink Mountain Dew. I saw a fisherman, a big fisherman, who I watched his videos, and he got sponsored by Mountain Dew. I was like, dude, that's freaking sick. That's so cool. Tasal, they're a good firm, and they've been around for a while. I personally have not getting any payouts with them, but I'm working towards there, yeah. But they're legit, and they pay out. I know a lot of people that got payouts with them. No, yeah, Drake makes a lot. He probably makes more money off of other deals, like sponsorships and stuff. Like the gambling websites and shit, he probably gets paid a lot. Big Teflon, thank you, man. Thank you, man. That'd be awesome. That'd be sick. Yeah, exactly, Triple Four, yeah. Is this things related to that niche or hobby you're into? Apex code? Apex code is crazy. He's just playing video games all day. That's like us streaming Fortnite while promoting prop firms. It doesn't make sense. Tushar, nice. Yeah, Tushar got some nice payouts with them. Tasal. Trailing with their update now. What do they do with their trailing on their update? Yep. Thank you, Rambo. They changed it to trailing drawdown? It says end of day. It says end of day accounts. Once we're funded, I didn't know that. The heck? What? Which one you talk? You guys talking about the quick pay or the fast pass on trade day? English, yes, English. Whoa, what in the green candle's going on right here? Damn. Guys, imagine we held that long. Bruh. 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 We are live. God bless you before. Thank you for watching, man. I'll see you next time. Dude, Rambo, that's such a sick name, Rambo. Hey, Rambo. Sylvester Stallone, the one and only Rambo. Too sharp, man. Yeah. In April, we had a lot of these huge spikes. And we luckily got in, we were in the trade. You can't predict that. And we were in the right side most of the time with those spikes. Just random ass spikes. God bless, brother. Thank you, Trip 4. I'll see you next time. Oh, yeah, vehicle, yeah. Because we rotated them. Because we lost on this account. We lost 400 on this account, but this account we made 200. This account, no trade yet. Sambo. Dude, that's a sick-ass last name. Sambo's like a fighting style, I'm pretty sure. Trump tweets. Mr. Trump. Rambo. Quick pay. Too sharp. They have an end of day option because they always had the intraday option. That's if you wanted to buy it for a cheaper price. But the end of day account switched to trailing once funded. No way. No way. Yeah, Trump tweets. The only ones that win are the people that knew about it. Quick pay. Hold on, let me wait for that in 5 minutes, yeah. I'll check after stream Tushar, yeah. I didn't know they did that. 3, 2, 1. Isaac, good luck, man. Hope you catch something, brother. I'll see you tomorrow. Good luck, man. Tight lines. Damn, I didn't know that, Tushar. Well, that sucks. Yeah, I don't like trailing drawdown either.
Order filled.
Take a stab along. No problem, Isaac. Good luck, man. Dude, I want to go fishing this week, too. Shit, I gotta catch me some fish. $13 points. Very interesting. Well, we were instantly in profit on this trade. Like 10, 15 points. Nice. Nice spike. Nice spike. Nice spike. Nice spike. Bro, a common dog name. Spike and Rex. What up, Spike? Hey, Rex. How you doing, Rex? $20 points. Nice. See if we want to smack that highs of the day, make a new high. That would be pretty nice. $25 points. Gonna lower our stop loss, lower the risk. Yeah, we got trail this shit, Tommy. Yeah, lock in. Stop loss to break even. This is a risk-free trade now, guys. Risk-free. Love me a risk-free trade because it's risk-free. 30 points. Stop loss 10 points in profit. Smack the highs, smack the highs. Yeah, one mini. A mini a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. Nice vehicle. Good job. Good long entry. Good long entry. Patience. We were instantly on profit on this trade, like right away. D Lorenzo, what up, brother? What up, D? How you doing, man? The one and only D Lorenzo. I would like at least $500 kept on this trade. But I want to give it room to breathe at the same time. Stop loss 15 points in profit. Smack him, yeah, smack him, profit. Let's go. Yeah, Tom, we gotta at least protect 400. Yeah, no, you're right. Cause $400 is kind of a lot. Okay, we can let it breathe, but If it wants to keep ripping, we can try to let it rip. New 5-minute right there. We got close to being stopped out. Go, go, go. Yeah. Dabda, yeah. That would be nice, yeah. We have a lot of news this week. I think we have NFP on Friday, too. I think we have news on Wednesday as well.
Right. Order filled.
Woo! Look at that, guys. Look at that TP. Damn. Look at that. 50 points. Yeah, yeah. Look at that spike. That was a good spike right there, guys. Let's go, champions. Let's go. Yeah, 50 points, boys. 50 points. Damn, that was a good-ass entry. We were waiting very patiently right here, and then we were instantly in profit on that trade. Yeah, that was a good trade, guys. Banger. Let's go. Okay, this account has, I think, 2 winning days now. Let's go, guys. We have 2 winning days now. I think this account we could take another trade just because, or we just go for a winning day, like $6 more. This account we're down 400. Yeah, yeah, good progress. Yeah, Miss Trader, good luck, man. Good luck. All in. All in. Guys, see what happened? On Friday, we adjusted and we adapted, right? We took 2 losses right off the bat. Instantly stopped out pretty much. And we were going for longs and we looked for shorts. Today, we took a short right in this area and we got stopped out. And then we just started looking for longs. And look, now we're up. Now we're up. Cat's over there. The cats are just staring at each other right now. Damn, look at these spikes. This keeps spiking new highs. Thank you, Miss Trader. Thank you, man. Perfect. I see what you did there, man. I see what you did there. Holy crap! Excuse my loud voice, but damn. Damn! Imagine we were that long. No, it can't be greedy. Can't be greedy, guys. Guys, what are these spikes? Can't be greedy. That was a banger trade. What was that spike, guys? That was a 100-point candle right there. Guys, FOMO is at all-time highs. My cortisol was at an all-time low after exiting that trade. Now it's just starting to spike. Yes. That is very... Hey, Miss Trader, we missed that trade right there. We missed that trade. You see that right there? Yeah. Bro. Bro. I mean, we're pretty bullish on the day, yeah. All right here, I thought we were going to keep ripping down, honestly. What was that? I have no idea, guys. I don't know. That was a 100-point candle. This is a 100-point candle. It's a big candle. Too short. Yeah, that would have instantly spiked your TP. Yeah. Got him. We got him. We freaking got him. I don't know. Trump's probably tweeting or something. Yeah. 30 points, Tushar. Hopefully it's not a no consistency, Tushar, and then you can stack on that. So it doesn't go against you. Is this all-time highs? There you go, Tushar. Hey, that's a win, man. That's a win. Yeah. Good job. Good job, Tushar. I mean, we're absolutely done on this account, but these two accounts, maybe. We are champions, yeah. Champions. Are you with me, champions? What's up, Christian? How you doing, man? What's up? Mickle, nice. Yeah, all-time highs, yeah. Yeah, it's about to smack new all-time highs right now. Thank you, Tushar. God bless, man. Champions. Yeah, always a champion. Here we come, boys. Here we come. I feel like it's going to spike again, like, pretty hard. Christian, no, you won't get a breach. You'll be fine. $5 is fine, Christian, honestly. It's not a breach. If anything, $5 you should be completely fine. But if you do like make more on the consistency, you just gotta make a little more on the profit target. It'll show you on the Lucid dashboard, Christian. But $5, you're fine. All-time highs. No problem, Christian. Anytime. Okay, guys. FOMO is intensifying, yes. Nah, we're chilling. We're chilling. We're chilling, champions. We only do 5 minutes and 13 seconds. Doing good, Grizz. How you doing, man? What up, what up, what up? Yeah. Yeah, man, I shaved. I had to. Thank you, man. Yeah, I had to get rid of the beard. No more beard for now. Dude, it was hella weird. My beard was like orange and shit. Got red beard. Red beard. It's that inner Irish in me coming out. Yeah, very rarely do you see an Asian guy with a orange beard. Yeah, very interesting. Yes. It's definitely the mixed genetics. Yeah. Grizz, yeah. Yeah, because I didn't trim it good, honestly. Yeah, I trimmed it bad. I look like a damn caveman, honestly. Yeah, we took 3 trades. Small loss, 20 points on this one. Small win on this one, and then we caught a banger 50-pointer on this one. Yeah, yeah. Guys, let's see if it makes a new high right here. New high. Yes, sir, Grizz. How you doing, man? Nice. Yeah, longs played out today. Guys, I gotta stop shorting at all-time highs. Even though we're trending downward at the moment, like right here on that first trade, I was like... Even then, I think we should just keep looking for longs. Because eventually it recovers recently. Damn, it double bottomed perfectly right here, too. Oh, man. Oh, man. Nice, Grizz. Yeah, yeah, it was nice today. Yeah, good day today. Yeah, I hope you guys are all green as well. Yeah, yeah. This account actually low-key, maybe just like farm a winning day, honestly. If I were to take another trade, maybe on this account. But this one just... Because we need $200 to get a winning day.
Order filled.
Farm.
Order filled.
Nice. Okay. We're done on this account. We're up $1,000. This account, we got a winning day. Because you need 5 winning days of $200. So this is a good farming day for this one. Then this one, we're up 560 overall, but we're down 400 on the day. So we could kind of work with this. Because the other ones are nice. Yeah, the other ones are locked. These two are locked in for today. Hey, Blue. We got the cat highway right here. Alexander, no. Not on the funded. Only on the challenge. 50% on the challenge. Funded accounts, no consistency. The Alpha Premium, guys, premium. Bro, guys, I didn't work out all weekend. I feel like crap. Saturday was my rest day. I had that as my rest day. Then yesterday, I had allergies the whole entire day, and I felt like crap. I was like, oh, man. I gotta work out today. I'm working out. You know what? Loki might work out right after stream or some shit. Yeah. Yeah, get some fresh air. Some sunshine, guys. Sunshine. What's up, Luis? Yeah. Luis, yeah, just on a trading day, just trade one micro, just get in, and then you can get out. It doesn't matter the profit or loss, as long as you just enter the trade. You can just do one micro. Jinbei, it's up to you, really, honestly. Yeah, it really depends on you. If you're down 800 and then you're only down 300 on the day, that's still not bad. So maybe stop. It depends how you're feeling and how you're seeing the market, honestly. Lofta, nice, man, nice. Dude, I love the sunshine, summertime. Yeah, guys, summertime. I love summertime. I love like shorts and a t-shirt on a sunny day. Oh, especially fishing too. Oh man, can't beat it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Grizz. That's why, because, like, we're literally at the highs right now, so I'm like, I don't want to just FOMO along. We would need, like, a pullback to enter along. And then we have the new 4-hour, 1-hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute, 20-second candle in 2 minutes, 40 seconds. Luis, I think it's Trump tweeting or something that's causing all this volatility. Because we had news at 7 a.m. today, but that was, like, 4 hours ago. We just have Orange Folder, Jolt's job opening tomorrow at 7 a.m. Then we have NFP this week. NFP, guys. NFP, yeah. Oh, yeah. Everyone's favorite day. Everyone's favorite day for passing challenges, yeah. We're not sending troops. Oh, man. The market rallied. Wait. No, I shouldn't enter right here. I was low-key of entering right here, but we should wait for the new hour, guys. New hour. Because this account, I'm still... If we see another trade, I'll take it. On this account. If. Big if. Guys, if. Oh, he's actually talking? Bro. He's yapping. He's yapping right now. I didn't eat breakfast yet today. Give me some eggs or something. Yeah. Some fresh huevos. What's up, El Paso? How you doing, brother? What up? Alright. New hour, 4 hour right here. Lofta, it's a good question. Honestly, it's hard. It's easier said than done, but just not going there in the first place. Stop putting yourself in that situation. I know it's easier said than done, but if you're noticing you're getting big losses right away, definitely size down or do something like that. So if you're having big losses right away, yeah, size down, definitely. The best thing to do, yeah, is not go there in the first place because it's really annoying and brain consuming power. Like you're mentally drained when you're trying to crawl back from drawdown right away. Then you're just fighting back to break even. Then you start over trading and taking riskier setups. It ends up blowing accounts in the long run. It's just a big headache, Lafta. So definitely size down, man, and just look for your good setups and just call it a day, win or loss. El Paso, we're up $1,000 on this account. We got $200 on this account. We're down $400 on this account. Yeah, we're doing the rotating strat, man. Yeah, gotta rotate. Gotta rotate. Dun, dun, dun. Gotta rotate. Gotta rotate. Yeah.
Order filled.
This will be my last trade, yeah. Oh, yeah. We're long, we're strong. If the longs ain't broke, we're longing until we're wrong, yeah. Oh, yeah, El Paso. Hope you're doing good as well, man. Looking for those highs. Break the highs of the day. Yeah. New all-time highs. Yeah. What's up, Jones? How you doing, man? What up? Guys, just in case we have a random big spike again. Because we just spiked and made new all-time highs. We gotta get our TP on that spike, yeah. We're chilling like a villain. I was walking down by the river, yeah. Doing good, Jones. We're all doing great, yeah. Hope you're doing good as well. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day, champions. Beautiful day. The volume kind of died down, so we'll see. Yeah. The buyers might be getting a little exhausted over here. Lunchtime, guys. Lunchtime. Manco, yeah. Crazy Monday, bro. Look at that, guys. Perfectly double bottom and just ripped up the rest of the day. Damn. Alright, new 5 minute. To the moon. Jamal, nice comeback, man. Did they say why they banned you, bro? That was very weird. Very weird. Well, that's good that you're up on your fundeds today. Good job, man. Nice comeback. Yeah, it can definitely be discouraging after that. Yeah, I've been there before. It's very annoying. Damn, what? Dude, it just died off the volume right here. Damn. We're just kind of playing ping pong right here. We're watching paint dry, champions. Yeah, Loki might have just got out on negative 100 or something. Damn. There's no volume right now.
Stop filled.
Stopped out. All good. We're down 700 on this account. Maybe I shouldn't have taken that last trade on that account. But hey, we got a winning day on this account, and then we're up 1,000 on this account. So, not bad. Pretty good. Pretty good. Christian, yeah, I mean, that's just their stream. I don't know. I don't know. It's up to, I don't know. I don't know if it's just trading. I don't watch him trade, really, honestly. So, I don't know. Call him a chicken. Chicken? Yeah, there's nothing wrong with stating your opinion. But yeah. Alright guys, not a bad stream, pretty good on Monday. And yeah, so not a bad day. We're up 1,000, caught a nice 50-point play on this account. This one we just farmed a winning day, and then this one we took 2 back-to-back losses. You guys see the importance of rotating these accounts. It's less risky. So we're up on these 2, but then we're down on this account. So, and this account we're still up $260, even though we lost 700 today. So not bad. Scaredy cat, yeah. I don't know, yeah. Yeah, thank you, Tommy. Thank you. God bless everyone. Thank you guys for watching as always. It really means a lot. God bless. Have a great, amazing day. Don't over trade. Don't over leverage. Go touch some grass. Go work out. Go do something. Stay productive. And I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. PST. So,